Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Nintendo Switch Lite. First, ensure your device has a strong internet connection. Then, navigate to the Nintendo eShop and download Fortnite, which is available completely free of charge. Once installed, launch the game and either create a new Epic Games account or log in with an existing one. This quick setup will get you ready to jump into the action in just a few moments. Now, let's dive into the controls specific to your Nintendo Switch Lite. You'll use the left joystick to move your character around the map, while the right joystick controls your camera view. The A button is for interacting, B for jumping, X for reloading your weapon, and Y for picking up items. Remember to use the L button to aim and the R button to fire, giving you precise control in combat situations. Fortnite offers a variety of exciting game modes to keep things fresh. You can jump into the classic Battle Royale, where 100 players fight to be the last one standing. If building isn't your style, try Zero Build Mode. For endless possibilities, explore Creative Mode. Plus, there are always limited time events and seasonal challenges to complete, allowing you to earn cool rewards and customize your character with unique outfits and emotes. To increase your chances of achieving a victory royale, here are some helpful tips. First, practice building and editing structures. Mastering these skills provides a significant advantage in combat. Try landing in less populated areas at the start of a match to gather weapons and resources safely. Finally, if you're playing in squad-based modes, effective communication with your teammates is absolutely crucial for coordinating attacks and securing the win. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.